arbitrationagreements.org. Imagine you're a business owner in a dispute. Going to court can be time-consuming, costly, and public. This is where commercial arbitration comes in. Before we go over the basics of commercial arbitration, please press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial legal topics that can save your company a great deal of time and money. Now back to arbitration. It's a form of alternative dispute resolution, used instead of litigation in the courts. It's confidential, generally quicker, and often less expensive. In fact, according to a recent survey, almost 8 out of 10 of respondents preferred arbitration as their dispute resolution process. Commercial arbitration involves businesses. It starts with an agreement. When businesses form a contract, they often include an arbitration clause. This means if a dispute arises, they agree to resolve it through arbitration. Unlike court litigation, parties in arbitration can choose their arbitrators. These are often experts in the disputed field. There can be one or several forming an arbitration tribunal. Commercial arbitration can be either domestic or international, both of which are growing in popularity each year. The arbitration process ends with an award, which is similar to a court judgment. It's binding and enforceable almost everywhere, thanks to the 1958 New York Convention. This has been adopted by over 160 countries. So there you have it. Commercial arbitration is a world-renowned method for resolving business disputes in a manner that is efficient, confidential, and globally enforceable. Whether it's a small local company or a multinational corporation, arbitration offers a practical alternative to court litigation. In the world of business, time is money, and arbitration can save a bit of both. Do you need more information about commercial arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. In fact, successful businesses depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. So, what do you think about commercial arbitration? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution solutions that can save you time and money.